Hello everyone, myself Christian Priyanka, faculty of the Knowledge Institute of Nursing. Today we learn about the fetal skull and it is a part 2. So in part 1 we learned about till the frontanel and now we learn about the landmarks. In that the first is the occiput. So occiput is the occipital bone, external occipital protuberance. Then sinciput. So sinciput is a forehead region of the fetal head and the parietal eminence are the eminence of the parietal on either side. In mentum, so mentum is a chin. Then vertical point, so it is the center of the sagittal suture. Then frontal point, it is a root of the nose. Then subocciput, so it is the junction fetal neck and the occiput. Then submentum, so it is the junction between the neck and the chin. And biparietal, it is a transverse distance between the two parietal eminence. And the bitemporal is the distance between the two lower of end of the coronal suture. Now we learn about the diameters. So there are the 6 anterior posterior diameter and the 4 is a transverse diameter. In that first the transverse diameter. So first is a biparietal diameter. So it is a measure about 9.5 centimeter. It extends between two parietal eminence. So between the two parietal eminence there is a one diameter. It's called the biparietal diameter. Then bitemporal diameter. It measure about the 8 centimeter. It is distance between the anterior inferior end of the coronal suture. So between the two temporal bone or the end of the coronal suture, there is a distance and it's called the bitemporal diameter. Then bimastoid diameter. So it is a 7.5 centimeter between the two mastoid process. So between the two mastoid process, there is a one diameter. It's called the bimastoid diameter. Then super subparietal diameter. So it is a measure about 8.5 centimeter. It extends from a point placed below one parietal eminence of the opposite side. So superior subparietal diameter is extends between the a point placed below the one parietal eminence and opposite side the upper point of the parietal eminence. So here you can see the here is the coronal suture, then biparietal diameter, then is bitemporal diameter. So it is about the transverse diameter. Now is the longitudinal means anterior posterior diameter. First is a suboccipitobregmantic. So it is a measure about 9.5 centimeter. The diameter from below the occipital protuberance to the center of the anterior frontanel. So suboccipitobregmantic diameter, it is between the occipital protuberance to center of the anterior frontanel means के bregma. Then second is a suboccipitofrontal. So it is a 10 centimeter. The diameter from below the occipital protuberance to the center of the frontal suture. So it is between the below the occipital protuberance to the center of the frontal suture. Then third is the occipitofrontal. So it is a measure about the 11.5 centimeter. The diameter from the occipital protuberance to glabella. Then other is a manto vertical. So now the diameter is from the mandum, so chin. So manto vertical. So it is a measure about 13.5 centimeter. The diameter from the point of the chin to the highest point of the vertex, slightly near the posterior than to the anterior frontanel. So it is nearly by the anterior frontanel and it is between the point of the chin to the highest point of the vertex. Then submanto vertical. So it is about 11.5 centimeter. The diameter from the point where the chin joins the neck to the highest point where the chin joins to the neck to the highest point on the vertex. Then submanto-brachmantic, so it is measure about 9.5 centimeter. The diameter from the point where the chin joins the neck to the center of the bregma. So it's called the submanto-brachmantic. So here you can see the suboccipitofragmentic, then suboccipitofrontal, occipitofrontal, then submantovertical, and submantobrachmantic. Then here is about the suture, frontal suture, anterior frontanel, coronal suture, sagittal suture, lamboid suture, posterior frontanel, and the coronal suture. So it's all about the fetal skull. So in fetal skull, we learn about the definition, part of the fetal skull, suture, frontanel region, and the landmarks of the fetal skull or the diameter of the fetal skull.